Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay, so in this Instagram tutorial we're gonna learn how to share a post on Instagram to your story in 2019. So to do this, make sure that you are up to date with your Instagram application. So go to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, click on Update, and after that just click on Open. Okay, so I'm gonna choose my own post. I'm gonna choose my latest post, this one. So now I want to share this one to my story to get extra exposure and things like that. Okay, so you see next to this comment icon, you see this airplane type icon. So click on that. So now you see this one, add post to your story. Click on that. Okay, so now we can choose two layouts. The first one is this one with the square image, and you see the user tagged below the image. And if you tap on the image, you will get this one with the username in the top left corner. You will also get the caption below this image, and also you can edit this one as a normal story. In the top bar you can add text. Okay, we can change the color, change the size, like that. Click on done, and just move this around. Okay, and you can also add stickers with the location, mention, hashtags, and things like that. So when you're satisfied with your post, just click on your story, like that. Let's go back. Go and have a look at my stories. Click on story. And now I have the story right here. And if I click on the image, see post. Okay everyone, so this is how to share a post on Instagram story in 2019. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.